Hello. This video is to take you through the dynamic contract feature. Now these are within the blue submenu. This is the form that you would get in the core system where your contracts are, I'll open this one to show you, your contracts are already in there. So some of the information from the main form will be automatically populated into here, but the body of the contract is not editable, apart from putting in the costs or your hourly fees. Now if I open this one, this is the dynamic contract feature. So what this does, it gives you the opportunity to edit, add or remove any information from the contracts that are currently in here. So if I show you the contract, there we go. So you can see that just like the other one, it's got your logo and your business name. The child parent is automatically come over. Your proprietor's information is already in there. Same as the contracted hours from the main form. So all of this information is the information that you put in the main form, as well as the introduction to you. Now the rest of the body of the contract is to come in down here. Now by pressing on this button, it will bring up the contract itself. So this is the part where it has the headings, which you can change, add, delete, edit, as well as the body. So you can put in your hourly fees in here, as well as anything else. Once you've put in all the information that you want, change anything you need. If you save it and close, and when you go to print, this is what the parents will see. So you can see the first bit that went up to the contract details. You'll see here that you've got a section where you can write something that is personal to that child. So it could be the case that you have current children that have been with you a while, and it's only the new children that have additional clauses. So the additional clauses you can put in this bit, or you can remove them from the actual contract. So it gives you a lot more flexibility that if you've got different children who adhere to different clauses within a contract, this means that you can cater for children specifically. So if you wrote something in here, and you save it, when you go in here, you can put in your hourly rate, remove anything else that you don't feel applies to your setting, check that the layout is as you need, save, and then when you click to print, you will see here. You'll see here that this child's specific contract details are in there as well. The information that you've put in the body of the contract will be generic, so they will go to each child in turn. So it does give you a lot more flexibility to doing contracts that are specific to each child who comes to your setting. So you can see down here, and then you've got your business details at the bottom, and then a place for you to sign and the parent to sign. If I just show you here, I've ticked this box and it means that the contracted hours are hidden. So now if I save it and print, and you will see that the contracted hours are no longer there. This may be in the case that the hours may be changing, so you don't want to stipulate a certain hours, or if you just wanted to make sure that it was the body of the contract and the clauses that the parents are going to be adhering to within your setting. There are the different consents in here as well. So if I click on the first one, you will see here that your business logo is there again, the parent's information, and then the sharing of statements will go into this area. So all you need to do is edit them in here. So this means that this consent is to say that you can share your learning journey that you create for the child with different people. So if there are anything that you want to remove or something else that you want to add in here, this is the place to do that. And again, you can see it by printing that this now includes all of the things that you had edited into this consent form. It's space for both you and your parent to sign. You've got other consent forms, and again it's the same procedure. They can edit and add all the different things. This one is a good one because there are so many things that you are required to have written permission from the parent before you do it in your setting. So this just means that you can list them all in here. Once you have the information that you need, if you go to print, and this is the form that you would print for the parents, you can see that it's all laid out and flows very nicely and very professionally to give to the parents before they start you. The next one is the emergency procedure. So again, this is the main one, and here is where you edit them. There are different areas, different boxes, so you can add as much information as you like. And I will just show that these do grow. So if I show you on the print, you can see that it grows with the text box. So the more information that you put in it, the boxes do grow, as though all of the information that you would like to write on there are included. There is the one for taking and storing photos. Again, it's the same procedure. You use this bit to edit it. There is information in there already, so you do have a starting point. You can go through and you can amend, add, edit. If the content suits your setting, then all you would need to do is leave the body of the text in there and just go through and just change little bits so that it's personalised to your setting. And then again, once you print, it's all of the information in there, so it gives the parents a really good overview. It's covering you that you've got the signed permissions from your parents, that you have all the contents in place before the child starts with you.